guys, so this box just turned up on the door today and I know exactly what's in it and I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. So this gone, this oh. Start with the accessories I bought with the phone. I bought the A51 Samsung Galaxy silicone cover with the same prison crushed blue color because it's gonna go in with the phone pretty well. Let's open it up. They're packaged it very well. They've got some paperwork. Let's be honest, who reads that? I've got it out of the box. It feels very soft and rigid. Does not move much, has like a yellow background, so when you actually put it on the phone, that's what it looks like. But it's nice to see they've been colorful and not grey and black, because we don't live in the 1900s anymore. And we've got a QR code. I'm not sure, I think that's for Samsung to do and deal with themselves. We've got air vent holes, and the bottom part is for the accessories, chargers, and I'm not really sure if this one has a headphone jack and if they decided to put a headphone jack, because they've mocked Apple a lot about not having a headphone jack. So if they do have one, that's going to be great to see for a budget smartphone by Samsung. Okay, let's get to the actual phone. So the box has no writing whatsoever at the back, and it says it's soy ink. I will search that up what soy ink actually is. This is the prison crushed blue model, and by the looks of it, it's really good compared to this. This color is pretty light compared to the previous A50, which is more darker in color, and its camera, as you can see on the box, is a square shaped camera, not a rectangle. We've got a lovely butter knife here, which we are going to open the box with. We're going to slice through that seal. Ta-da! Okay, we've got a little tab here to pull our phone out. So it's been covered with this plastic cover. And in the box we have those stock things like the fast charging capable charger adapter and the wire, which is a USB 3.0 to USB Type-C. We've got wired headphones, and they're not by AKG, they're the cheap versions. You can see, judging from there, it has a aux port. There you go. It has the auxiliary port, which I'm really confused why they don't do it in flagship phones, even though they charge more for it. I've got all the elements of the box laid out on the table here. So as you guys may know, this is the box where your SIM card ejection tool comes in and paperwork comes in. As I said, no one actually reads the paperwork. Comment down below if you read the paperwork. And this is gonna be helping us eject the SIM tray out and helping us putting the SIM in, because that's the main function of the phone. Let's do a quick size comparison with its old body or older version of it, the A50. If I'll take it out of the cover, you can see there's a cracked screen. Oh, generally I'll tell you what, these smartphones, the budget smartphones, are not really good at not breaking, because I can see the screen is a low quality screen. It's not, the glass is not that thick, it's not Gorilla Glass. I don't know which one they use for their flagship phones, but this one's not thick enough, and that's why when you drop it, it's more likely to crack. That's one of the customer reviews, honest reviews I can give you guys. Another big comparison we can see at longer ranges, this one has a hole punch, while this one has like a drop-in notch. I can say it's a notch. It's not the Samsung calls it like a teardrop, but I don't call it. It's still a notch. This one is like a hole punch, so the screen goes around it, and that's nice to see that you're getting that flagship kind of specs and the flagship kind of screen in a budget smartphone. Flipping it over, we can clearly see the color difference between these two, because this one's much darker and this one's lighter. This phone, when light reflects off it, is more like rainbow color, when this one doesn't actually give you that fancy shancy look on the phone. So this one probably and most likely has a more premium feel to it, as it's a brand new version of it. If we do a quick weight comparison, this one is 100% heavier, because I think it has more components in it. The camera, if we quickly come up to the camera, this is like a three lens camera system, but this one's a more like a rectangle with a 4 camera layout and a flashlight, which is built into the camera module, whereof here it's been built into the frame. Also, we can see that the Samsung logo has gone from here to down here. The text is still there, it's not gone. I wonder when they're gonna do when the text is almost gonna go. Both phones are plastic from the back, so it's not glass. It looks like glass, but it's not glass. So first and foremost, let's put this new A51 to the charge, and we're gonna get it to 100%, and we're gonna test out the battery life and do some tests and run some new setup protocols, which we have to do on every new phone, because you have to do it because it's 2020. Okay, see ya.